Hello everyone. Today in our maths class we are going to discuss about the topic circle. In our environment you find many things that are round. A wheel, bangle, a coin, etc. are there. Many are there. We use the round shape in many ways. You can see all those things in the pictures. What do you mean by a circle? A circle is the path of a point moving at the same distance from a fixed point. You can say that a circle is a simple closed curve. It is a curve and it is closed also. That loop is closed. It has some very special properties also. You can take a bangle, place a bangle or any round shape and trace around to get a circular shape. Now you realize how to get a circular shape on the paper. Naturally, every point on the circle is at equal distance from the center. The fixed point in the middle is known as center. The fixed distance is the radius of the circle. By definition, all radius of a circle are equal. Since all the points on a circle are the same distance from the center and the radii of a circle have one endpoint on the circle and another one at the center. And all these circles have diameter too. The diameter of a circle is the segment that contains the center and whose endpoints are both on the circle. It has two endpoints, right? Like segment has two endpoints and both lies on the circle and it contains the center. It is passing through the center. One more important point that you have to remember about the diameter is the length of the diameter is twice that of the radius. So obviously you can say that all the diameter of a circle are equal. All the diameters are same for a circle. Next one we have a chord. A chord is a straight line segment joining any 2 points on the circle as shown in the figure. A chord that passes through a circle center, then that line segment is known as diameter. If the chord itself passing through the center, then it will become diameter. Next we have an arc. It is the portion of the circumference of a circle. In the figure, arcs are in the blue part of the circle. That means from the circle we are taking one portion, then it will become an arc. A straight line is drawn between the end point of the arc would be a chord of the circle, and the portion in the middle or in between this arc and chord is known as segment of the circle. The portion enclosed in between two radius and an arc is called sector. For example, when we cut a pizza piece from a pizza hole, the portion that we took is a sector. It become a sector. And yes, that's all about the part of the circle. I hope everyone understood this. Thank you for watching.